all my dreams come alive. Life is for living. With you, I've made my decision. You lift me up, fill my eyes with wonder. Forever young in your love, this freedom's untainted. With you, no moment is wasted. See the sun bursting through the clouds like you are. Such a colorful all this this is living now. This is living now. The way got you right beside me. In your love, I'm complete. There's nothing I'm living. With you, it's like you created. I choose. See the sun now bursting through the clouds, black and white, turns to color all these new insignia I have found. This is living now. This is living now. Maybe I ain't really know what living is. Is it love? If it was, am I living it? Do I live in it? So astounding. Love is an ocean, you can drown it. The sweet embrace, the lovely taste, I taste the sea. I'm under grace, the place to be. It means I'll never need an umbrella. I'm cool in the cold, in the hot weather. Whether I never understand I'm a man in the hands of great plans. And stand with faith and in life I never known to touch. And still I stop and clutch, but I'm like, what's the dream of? What's the hope in? What's the love for? Live to no end. This is living. The life I'm gonna give us a gift. If I'ma live it, I'ma live it to death. So what's the dream of? What's the hope in? What's the love for? Live to no end. This is living. The life I'm gonna give us a gift. If I'ma live it, I'ma live it to death.
Thank you everybody for coming. Remember, all that in the show, besides the fireball, you can purchase right in the store. One of my favorite cakes that was shooting out there, other than the waterfall, was that ghost dragon. Did you see those cool ghost ring effect? That one's in the store. It's another 3-inch man on board, big cake. Be sure to sign up on our $1,000 giveaway. Be sure to share it to our Facebook page or leave a Google review. That'll give you a second entry, doubling your chances to win. So thanks everybody for coming. Oh, and then all the drawings from tonight, if you want to check to see if you won something, go look on the board. That stuff has been posted. So thanks everybody for coming. Remember to tell all your family and friends that there will be a shortage of fireworks this year. Please come early. And yeah. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.